So we've turned the lights off, we've got our safety glasses on, we've got a magazine loaded up with some .25 tracer rounds. So let's get switched on, loaded up, and let's just double check how we're doing. Well, I can already tell you that the sound, I don't know if you'll be able to tell on the screen, sound is definitely quieter. Let's have a little full auto blast. Brilliant. Go into the Acetec app, chronograph. Got to turn the tracer unit off. Go. Yeah, so that's all working absolutely lovely. Then we go back, tracer unit back on, and we're out.